Alright guys, what is going on? My name is Patrick and today I'm kind of doing like more of a little vlog kind of video, just switching it up a little bit. So we are going to be installing this. Now, this is a shifter kit that I got used. Yeah, we're going to install that and just kind of hang out, go skateboarding for a little bit. And yeah, it's a super nice day. It hasn't been nice in Michigan for like a couple weeks, and I'm on summer break, and it's just been really depressing. So yeah, we're going to head out to my brother's. This is my cat. What's up, Lewis? He's a pretty good cat. He's really fat though. So yeah, we're going to take the Miata, go to my brother's house, install this, hang out, and yeah, just have a good day. Yeah, I actually like just cleaned up this car, so it's looking really good, but yeah, just look at outside. It's just perfect out. It's awesome. Alright, so here's the thing. I know that I kind of look like a douchebag when I have a bright red convertible and I'm just like a little blonde boy just wearing sunglasses. I know I look like kind of a douchebag, but okay, it's a nice day out. I just want to enjoy my day off of work, okay? Okay, that was kind of a long drive, but I am here and I will always maintain that driving a modified Miata with a top down on like a sunny afternoon like this is just like the best thing in the world. Like there's literally no debating it at all. Yeah, and that's my brother's cat. Kind of a fucking weirdo. So we're going to be doing a little shifter rebuild. I got this used off of the Miata forums, so saved a pretty good amount of money. Tall and angled Miata Roadster Kit. These things are just awesome. I'm going to be using the stock knob, but eventually I want to upgrade. And it comes with literally everything that the original kit came with, and it's just going to be a super nice install. And I'm really looking forward to seeing if I actually like it, because I'm not entirely sure if I want this in a daily driver, but if I don't, I can always just sell it back. So I'm already pretty familiar with this this install. I'm just going to basically pull everything apart and then go from there. It's just a lot of just removing what you see. I don't understand how I can be so lucky when working on cars. It's insane. So this shifter, right? It has this leather knob, and then it has a plastic lining that it uses to thread on. The actual leather has separated from the plastic and now just kind of spins freely, and the plastic won't come off. So this isn't actually like a huge deal because a lot of people complain of this problem. Basically the glue just gets really old and then just breaks, and then yeah, you're stuck in this same predicament that I'm in. So it's actually pretty common, but there really isn't a lot of ways to get it off unless you simply cut the actual knob off, which I really don't want to do because I don't have another knob, but I guess I'm gonna have to buy an aftermarket one. So cool. I just don't get how I can be so lucky when working on cars. So I guess we're just gonna cut this off. This is what it comes down to. As you see, it just kind of, yep, there it goes. Let me do a little bit more. Okay. Pull this bad boy off. There it goes. Alright. So you can see that I'm not lying. So we have just the leather little insert thing, completely empty. And here is the actual plastic knob. It's slightly sticky. But yeah, the glue just wore off, so now it's separated. So very cool. There we go. Got that off. This is what it looks like. This is obviously where all of that center console goes. You just got 2 screws there, 1 screw there, 1 on the other side. And yeah, it just lifts right out. Just make sure that if you have power windows, just disconnect this little sensor. And yeah, you're good. So it has all of this gross carpeting. We're just gonna throw that there. And yeah, here is what we're going to be replacing. All of this and a little bit below. Alright, and this is just going to go ahead and squeeze right off. There we go. Okay, so now you're just going to remove these 3 10mm bolts. So now you need to remove this little pin here. You need to be able to get this plastic ring out so you can replace it. Will actually got back from work. So what we're going to do, the sun's kind of in my eyes. I've got this sucky tool, this sucky boy. It's a turkey baster, baster. I don't fucking know. So yeah, we're just going to suck all the old kind of fluid out and then replace it. Specifically this stuff, which apparently makes a huge difference in both kind of preserving the shifter itself and all the, you know, the way that it kind of goes into gear, but it also just makes it more smooth. So we're gonna do that real quick and just give it the good suck. Woo.
Yeah, there should be more than that.
Yeah. I'm just going to throw first the washer in, just kind of boop. Position as the NA.
Yeah, I didn't know it was angled. To do.
Yeah.
The Miata Roadster Shifter.
Oh. Yeah, it's not close to the radio at all. Okay, so shifter is completely done. It feels pretty good. It's kind of odd having a fucking torn shift knob. That's a little weird, but that's the only one I have for now. But yeah, no, it feels great. It just clicks right in. You're right next to the steering wheel. It's awesome. So I'm going to finish up throwing all this stuff, all the other things back on, and then maybe take it for a drive. Install is completely done. Everything is where it should be. Yeah, because you haven't been in this car for a while. Put your seatbelt on.
Oh, we're not even on a real road yet.
I'm sorry. Where's the safety?
Remember when you did donuts around me?
I don't remember that at all. Yeah! Love you. Love you.
You see, this is always the worst part, because he just leaves, and I'm on the side of the road with his camera. So, like, what am I supposed to do? Ah, shit, there it is. Okay, so that was fun. That was like 4 seconds of magical wonder. Big straight chilling. Bendy boy, signing off.
I might give it a little,
Motherfucking smash that like and subscribe button.
You ready for the noise?
No, fuck, fine.
Alright, I'm done. We're done here.
All right.
Yeah, so make sure to motherfucking smash that like and subscribe button.
Yeah, so those last clips got a little bit weird. We were just kind of like messing around, and I didn't really feel like filming much. So we just kind of like did a couple exhaust clips and like we just hung out. So didn't film much of that, but I hope you guys enjoyed the install. It's definitely an awesome shifter. It's really cool having your hand right next to the steering wheel, like at all times, even when shifting. It's just super nice that way. But that's going to do it for today's video. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. And yeah, see you guys later.